Hello friends, I Kaushik sir welcome you to your favorite channel Learn with Kaushik. Today we will start from where last day we left. Actually, one thing I want to tell all of my viewers that what I gave in last class, those all homework you have not completed. So I want to tell once again, you have to solve all your homework and send the answer through comment. Let's start the class. Today we will discuss about conversion from decimal to octal. Suppose we will take one question 244, base is 10, we want to convert it in octal. Means this 244, it is a decimal number and this number we need to convert in octal. See, when you want to convert a decimal number to octal, similarly you find the LCM by base of octal. Then here we will write 8, then 8 3 ja 24, then left 4. Here we will not able to divide 4 by 8, so we will write here 0 and remainder will be 4. Then again we will find the LCM of 30 by 8, then 8 3 ja 24, left 6. Then your answer will be 244 base 10 equal to 364 base 8. I have told in last class you have to write the answer from bottom to top. That is why your answer will be 364, base will be 8. Hope all you understand this solution. We will find another one example. 321, base will be 10, means it is a decimal number and we need to convert it in octal. Then similarly this number you find the LCM of this number, means 321 we will find the LCM by base of octal. Then here it will be 8 4 ja 32 and left 1, means we will write here 0 and remainder will be 1. Then again we will write, again we will find the LCM of 40 by 8, then it will be 8 5 ja 40, remainder will be 0. Then output will be 321 base will be 10 equal to 501 base will be 8. Okay, all are able to understand? Hope this solution all are able to understand. Okay, let's you do some homework. First question is 713. It is a decimal number, you have to convert it in octal. Second is 958, it is a decimal number, you have to convert it in octal. Third 625, it is a decimal number, you convert it in octal. And fourth, 687 base is 10, you have to convert it in octal. Okay, this all homework you have to find and write the answer in comment section. Each question you have to write the answer in comment section. Okay, then next we will proceed. Next is conversion from octal to decimal. First question is 364. It is a octal number. It is an octal number. You have to find it equivalent decimal number. Okay, when we want to find the decimal number of an octal number, that time similarly you write the decimal number, you write the octal number, then put the place value from right to left, begins from 0. Then after that you write digit into base of octal to the power place value. Digit, this one 3 into base of octal means it will be 8 to the power place value, it will be 2, plus 6 into 8 to the power 1 plus 4 into 8 to the power 0. Then it will be 3 into 8 8 ja 64 plus 6 into 8 plus 4 into 8 to the power 0 means it will be 1. Okay, then here three into 64, it will be 192 plus 6 into 8 48 plus 4 into 1, it will be 4. Then 8 4 12 13 14 4 left 1 9 4 13 1 14 4 left 1, then 1 1 2. Answer will be, you write 364 base 8 equal to 244 base will be 10. Okay, all are able to understand this solution. If anyone have any doubt, then write in comment section. Okay, next we will proceed. Another one example we will solve here. That is 501 base will be 8. We need to convert it in decimal number. Similarly, you write the number first 501, then put the place value from right to left, it will be 0 1 2. Then here digit 5 into base of octal to the power place value plus digit into base of octal to the power place value plus 1 into 8 to the power 0. Then it will be 5 into 64 plus 0 into 8 plus 1 into 1. Then 5 into 64, it will be 320 plus 0 plus 1. Then it will be 321. Answer will be 501 base will be 8 equal to 321 base will be 10. It is your answer. All are able to understand this solution also. If anyone have any doubt, you have to mention in comment section. Okay, then you solve some homework. One 736 base is 8. You have to convert it in decimal. 539 base will be 8. You have to convert it in decimal. 364 base is 8. You have to convert it in decimal. And last one, 6437 base is 8. You have to convert it in decimal. All this homework you have to solve yourself in home and write the answer in comment section. Okay, next we will proceed another one. Next one, you write down conversion from decimal to hexadecimal. Suppose 110 suppose we will take one question. 110 base is 10. We need to convert it in octal. Then here also you do similar thing, means here also you will find the LCM of 110 by this one will be 16, means base of hexadecimal. Okay, then here also we will find the LCM of 110 by the base of hexadecimal. It will be 16. Then 16 6 ja 96. Remainder will be 14. Then your answer will be 110. Base will be 10. 6. Here one thing you have to remember, see here it is 14, then this 14 how we represent through hexadecimal. I have told in hexadecimal there are 16 digit, that is from 0 to 15, but from 10 to 15 we will write, if 10 then it will be A 11, B 12, C 13, D 14, E 15, F. Then here we need to represent 14, means it will be, we will represent through E, means your answer will be 6E, base will be 16. Hope all are able to understand. If any doubt you have, clearly you mention it in comment section. Okay, next another one number we will solve here. That is 484 base will be 10. We need to convert it in hexadecimal. Then here also you find the LCM of that number, that is 484 by base of hexadecimal, means it will be 16. Then 16 3 ja 48. Then left 4, means here we will write 0, then remainder will be 4. Then again 16 1 ja 16, remainder will be 14. Okay, then your answer will be 484, base is 10. Here we will write 1, 14 means it is E, then 1E4, base will be 16. This is your answer. Hope all are able to understand. Here you do some homework, that is 72 base is 10, you have to convert it in hexadecimal. 2766 base will be 10, you have to convert it in hexadecimal. Then base will be 10, you have to convert it in hexadecimal. Another one, 417, base will be 10, you convert it in hexadecimal. Okay, all you solve this question and write the answer in comment section. You solve all homework what I am giving. Then next we will proceed conversion from hexadecimal to decimal. First question is, suppose 6E, it is a hexadecimal number and we need to convert it in decimal form. Then here similarly you write the question 6E, then you put the place value from right to left, begins from 0, then it is 0 1. Okay, then here you write digit into base of hexadecimal to the power place value plus digit into base of hexadecimal to the power place value, then it will be 6 into 16 plus E means it will be 14. Then here you write 14 into 16 to the power 0 means it will be 1. Then here 6 into 16 it will be 96 plus 14 into 1 it will be 14. Then your answer will be 110. Okay, you write the answer down here. 6E base will be 16 equal to 110, base will be 10. It is your answer. Hope all are able to understand. Okay, if any doubt you have, you write in comment section. Okay, then next day I will discuss it. Another one example we will solve here, that is 1E4, base will be 16, we need to convert it in decimal form. Then here you write the number 1E4, then put the place value 0 1 2 then it will be 1 into 16 to the power 2 plus E into 16 to the power 1 plus 4 into 16 to the power 0. Then it will be 1 into 16 into 16, it will be 256 plus E means it will be 14 into 16 to the power 1, it will be 16 plus 4 into 16 to the power 0 means it will be 1. Then here 256 plus 64, it will be 4 carry 6, then 16 1 just 16, 17 18 19 20 21 22, then it will be 224 plus 4 into 1 it will be 4. Then here for 84. Okay, then your answer will be 1e for base will be 16 equal to 4 8 for base will be 10. It is your answer. Okay, if you have any doubt, write in comment section. I will discuss in next class. Hope this solution also all are able to understand. If you have any doubt, you write in comment section. I will discuss in next class. Okay, then you do some homework. C1 base will be 16. You have to convert it in decimal form. ACC base is 16. You have to convert it in decimal form. Bed base will be 16. You have to convert it in decimal form. And last one, FACE base will be 16. You have to convert it in decimal form. Okay, all you solve this homework and write the answer in comment section. Today we will solve this much. Rest we will solve in next class. Thank you. Have a good day.